I'm Adam Peterson, about to read for Real Men Read today. I'm an instructional coach, former teacher at John Wooden Middle School. Just want to reach out and thank Duke Energy and REMC for donating the money for this program. The book I am going to be reading today is Fly Guy Presents Bats by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly named Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name, Buzz. Buzz and Fly Guy went to the nocturnal house at the zoo. Buzz looked at the map. They were inside a bat cave. Bats are so cool, said Buzz, but I don't know much about them. Buzz and Fly Guy wanted to learn more. Almost all bats are nocturnal. That means they are active at night and asleep during the day. Bats fly at night. Other animals, such as raccoons and barn owls, are also mainly nocturnal. Bats hang upside down to sleep. They hang in a high place to be safe from hunting animals. Some bats hang from trees or under bridges. Bats might even hang out in your attic. Other bats live in caves. They hang from the ceiling. A group of bats is called a colony. Some colonies in caves have more than 20 million bats. There are more than 1,200 different species or kinds of bats. The most common bat in North America is the little brown bat. Bats live on every continent except Antarctica. They can be found as far north as the Arctic Circle, where temperatures can dip as low as negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit. They also live in very hot places like Death Valley, California, where the temperature once reached 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Bats are mammals. Mammals have fur and they are warm-blooded. That means that the temperature of their bodies does not change with the temperature of where they are. Bats are the only mammals in the world that can fly. Yes, but you are not a mammal. You are an insect. Talking to Buzz. Flying is hard work. Bats use gravity, or the force that pulls objects downward to Earth, to help them take off. First, bats hang upside down. Next, they drop from their perch and flap their wings until they are flying through the air. Most bats are small and weigh less than 2 ounces. That is less than an orange. Kitty hognose bat, also called the bumblebee bat, is the world's smallest bat. It is only about 1 inch long. There are some large bats too. The greater flying fox bat is the largest bat in the world. From tip to tip, its wings stretch to about 5 feet. Different kinds of bats eat different things. Many bats, such as the Egyptian slit-faced bat, eat insects. Some insect-eating bats also eat frogs, lizards, small birds, and even fish. Fruit bats munch on fruits and drink nectar from flowers. Vampire bats eat only blood. They drink from other animals, such as cattle. These bats use heat sensors to help them find the animal they are hunting. Bats have amazing bodies. These small mammals have 2 wings, 2 legs, and a tail. Then they cannot run because their legs are too small and their wings are not as strong as a bird's. Bats have 2 thumbs, 1 at each wrist. These thumbs help them to climb, fight, and hunt. All bats have teeth. Fruit-eating bats have simpler teeth than bats that eat insects. Insect-eating bats have sharper teeth that help them crush insects. Vampire bats have razor-sharp teeth. Bats have super senses. Some bats can really see well in the dark. Bats' noses have extra special smell sensors. And bats have great hearing. They can hear an insect's beating wings. Many types of bats use a special sound to get around and find food. This is called echolocation. Bats send this sound from their nose or mouth. The sound travels to an object, bounces off of it, and travels back to the bat's ears. This lets the bat know how far the object is so the bat can locate it. Bat sounds are too high-pitched for people to hear. Some bats make sounds louder than 110 decibels. Not all bats hunt the same way. Some bats, like the diadem roundleaf bat, wait for an insect to fly by. They then fly after the insect to catch it. And some bats hunt bad guys. There's Batman. Other bats hunt as a group. They help one another catch prey. Many bats hibernate in the winter when there is not much food. They go into a deep sleep. Then when spring comes, the bats wake up to hunt again. Most female bats give birth to only one baby each year. Baby bats are called pups. All pups, even baby vampire bats, drink milk from their mothers. Baby bats hang on their two mothers. A mother bat recognizes her pup's scent and cry. Even with hundreds of pups in one colony, mom can always find her baby. Cryptozoologists are scientists who study bats. They try to learn more about bats. In 2013, scientists discovered a new species of disc-winged bats. Bats have discs on their thumbs that help them to climb. Bats are amazing, said Buzz. From now on, I promise to never try to swat a bat, even if one gets in my house. I will get help to safely remove it. Bats are our friends. Buzz and Fly Guy couldn't wait for their next adventure.